What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We're getting the trailer ready to pick up Project RT. Huh?
Want to get the blower of room?
Got that joint beat. Haha. Oh. So we gotta put the new wood. That's why he breaking it. Oh! Just put the tires back on. Want me to take it down off the jack? Want me to take it off the jack? That shit ain't even going down. That shit good?
Go up to the front. Need more screws. So we'll just connect the trailer. I just need two. One of these. And I have that long one.
Alright, y'all, we just left Home Depot to get some wood. Frank gay ass wanted to get hot dogs.
Dejan ended up being gay.
Oh shit. So now we about to go back to the house, put this new wood up on here, and we'll go get Project RT and bring her to the Easy. Since she's easy. And it's hot as hell easy out here. But yeah, we'll check in with y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. We're officially taking the car home now. Me and Frank just got the trailer ready. Got the truck up here. We got the Mad Max out here. We out here doing the damn thing. Oh man, y'all. Big shout outs to Frankie again. And again and again. Cause he always saving his friend. His rim bent. Back. If y'all ain't got a friend named Frank, I feel bad for y'all. Out here, trailer gang. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We over here at the charger right now. This oil thing was stuck. You okay? Yeah. This oil thing was stuck in here, so I kind of just bent this shit back and I was able to pull it out. The oil actually looks decent, at least on here. I just need to add like a little bit, but I got some already. But at least I wasn't able to check the oil, so at least I know that there's oil in here now, so I'm a little less worried starting it up and shit. So what we about to do right now, I'm gonna lift it up on the jack, and I'm gonna change out the crankshaft position sensor. I'm actually just gonna clean off, let me see, I'm actually just gonna clean off the O2 sensor. I believe I need 1 or 2 O2 sensors, but I'm just gonna try to clean them off because I ain't really got money like that to just buy a whole bunch of parts like right now at this moment. I mean, I could if I wanted to, for real, but I still got bills and shit to pay, so I just gotta be careful. And I just spent $1,500 on this motherfucker, so I just don't wanna fucking just be blowing bread like that. So we just gonna have to take it slow and try to be as patient as possible. But I already got the sensor. I already changed one of the O2 sensors out. It was kind of messed up. But yeah, let's jack this thing up and let's get this party started. Under here, let's see what they can do. Where's the fucking starter? Here it goes. There's 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3. You gotta get these off to move the starter out of the way because the crankshaft position sensor is apparently somewhere behind here. So these screws off. Using 15mm. Take your battery terminals off. It's in the trunk. If you got the charger, your battery should be in the trunk. It should be a 10mm to get the battery terminals off. There's like oil dripping down these headers. I'll figure out where exactly it's coming from. So this bolt that was a little bit smaller, I actually got it off with a 1/2, but like I said, it's probably like a 13 or a 12, or yeah, it's like a 13 or a 14 maybe, or you could just use the 1/2 to get it off, and then you gotta use the 15 to get it, switch back to the 15 to get the rest of the screw off. I'll show y'all when I put it back on. And then the crankshaft sensor is right here. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's right there, like right here. But hopefully y'all can see. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, so damn, it's dark, hella dark. Can't see shit. But the crankshaft position sensor, my finger is like right on it. So just so this is your starter. Just kind of moved it out the way, right? Fuck, so all type of shit falling in my fucking eye. So once you get the starter out the way, fuck, the sensor is literally right there, like right here. My finger is touching it. So this is the sensor right here. Let's see. Feels like there's. Let me go ahead and unplug it. All right, let me put the camera back on my head. Hold on, I'm gonna just have to. I want to show y'all everything, but the way this shit is some things probably just gonna be a little hard to show y'all. I need a light. That's what I need. But the sensor's right here. Oh fuck. Let me put the camera back on my head. Or let me put the camera down for a second, y'all, and then let me try to get this shit off. Alright, y'all, so I actually got the sensor off. This plug right here. Damn, y'all cannot see. I really need a light. But on the actual plug, there's a piece that you have to push. Fuck, let me see. So here's the sensor right here. This is the old one. And you see this connection right here? So this shit. Ah, bitch. I just want to show y'all so y'all know how to get it off when y'all get there. And it's a 10 millimeter bolt that goes into this piece right here. Fuck, hold on, camera now. I get the light for y'all, but my phone about to fucking die, so I can't even use the light on it. Let me see if I can show y'all though. Shit's in the way. Damn, bro, y'all really cannot see this shit, bro. So here's the sensor, right? And it's connected to this right here. So if this wire gets out the way, right? Y'all see that? So you push down on this piece right here. This little piece right here. You push, I'd suggest unscrewing it first, unscrew it off. And then it's this little piece right here. You just push down and you pull it out. It might not be like that simple, like how I just said it, push down, pull it out, but I mean, that's basically how you get it off. So here goes our new one. Yeah, let me put this sensor back on, and I'm gonna clean those, these O2 sensors, and plug everything back up and start it and see what happens. I'm pretty sure the same thing is gonna happen, so we'll see. I'll catch back up with y'all in a second. Just put the starter back on. I just gotta screw the bolts in. Make sure you don't forget about this little wire piece. It just goes right here, and you just screw it back on with that other bolt. Whatever you take off, just make sure you don't forget to put that shit back on. But there is a little wire that's supposed to screw back onto this top bolt. This helps the starter turn on and shit. And then there's one more bolt I gotta put back in here, tighten it up, and then I'm gonna clean the O2 sensors off. I don't know if y'all can see. One O2 sensors right here, and then the other one is right here. Fucking cobwebs. So it's a little more up. That should be easy for y'all to find though, if y'all ever do this. Everything I'm doing right now really is not hard at all, to be honest. So yeah, let me screw this back in, and then I'm gonna check in with y'all in a second. Hold on. Hey guys, well, I got that sensor on there. I'm gonna need the right tool to take out the freaking O2 sensors. So I wasn't able to take those out and clean them, so I don't know, y'all. I think I'm gonna just take this bitch to the shop for real. But I did put that new sensor on, so I'm a freaking let's see what kind of view y'all got. I'm gonna plug this battery back up and start it and see if that camshaft sensor did anything. I'd really have to check the code to see if it did anything, but we'll just see if it runs different. This battery in right quick. All right, y'all. The moment of truth. Let's see if it even starts now. It does kind of sound different. Hold on. Let's give it a second. Let's give it a second. This joint low-key sound like it's running good right now. Hold on. Wait a minute. Bruh. This joint low-key seem like it's running good now, y'all. Let's see. Oh, nope, there it goes. There it goes. Got too excited too quick. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, there it goes. It's back to how it was. God damn it. back to how it was, y'all. I mean, it seems to be running a little bit better, but smoking like a motherfucker too. Let me see what's smoking. See where that oil's coming out there. Oil coming from there. I don't know. Let me see. Know if I should just let that shit burn off, or I mean, it seems to be running a little bit better. I don't know though. It sound better, but it's still running the same. Yeah, it's not backfiring as much as it was. When I used to put this bitch in gear, it'd be damn near about to shut off. So that crankshaft sensor probably helped a little bit. Let me clean up this shit and get everything out the way and see how this bitch runs. Alright, y'all, this shit seemed like it was driving better, so, well, running better. So let's just take it around the block right quick. See what happens. Like, see, right now it'll be ready to cut off already, so that's different. Oh shit, this motherfucker seem like it's working, bruh. Hold on. Ooh, this bitch is working, bro. This bitch is fucking working. Bro, this bitch working. This bitch is working. Never. Never. This bitch is fucking working, y'all. This bitch is fucking working. I swear to God. Let's go, baby. Oh, this bitch move. This bitch move, cat. I need some air in my tire so bad. Y'all, this hoe working. I fixed it. I fucking fixed it. Get the fuck out of here. This hoe is working, y'all. This bitch working. Let's go. This bitch is fucking working, baby. Let's get it. Yes. Yes. I'm about to, oh shit. The fuck was that? I'm about to put some air in the tires. This bitch is working, y'all. It's driving. What the fuck? I fucking fixed it. Oh shit, something done came on. Did I fuck up my tire? Y'all, it's working. It's right quick. I fucking fixed it, y'all. I fucking fixed this bitch. Bro, that sensor probably cost like 30-40 bucks, bro. I fixed this hoe for 30 bucks. Be careful right here. My suspension is fucked up. Y'all, it's fixed. It's fucking fixed. It's fucking fixed. Yes, yes, yes. 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 I just drove this bitch, y'all. This bitch work. This bitch fucking works. No fucking way. I got this bitch for $1,500 fucking nigga, and fixed it for 30. I changed 2 sensors so far. I changed one of the downstream sensors that's behind the cat. It was kind of fucked up, so I switched that out, and I switched the crankshaft position sensor out. So now that it's running, I'm gonna put some air in the tires, put some gas in this bitch, and I'll probably take it up to AutoZone and then have them read the codes for me, see what codes is popping up now. And then shit, I'll probably just keep replacing what the codes say, do the fucking spark plugs and wires next. Baby, we in that thing, baby, we in that thing. It's running, y'all. It's definitely not running how it was when I got it, for sure. I wasn't able to drive like that. Like, I put that bitch in gear and that motherfucker. But let me put some air in these tires. I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, we just put gas in this bitch. Got Danny in this bitch with me.
What up, yo?
I just put some air in the tire. I said gas, I put air in the tire. See how this joint roll. Transmission downshift's kind of funny though. That V8 power, baby.
V8, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That V6 shit no more.
Right. Then my truck is a V8 too, but it ain't fast. It's 350 horses. Yup. For 1,500, I guess not bad.
Not at all.
Oh no, it's way more shit we gotta fix. I think the whole suspension needs to be redone. I gotta see what's up with the transmission. I know I need some brakes.
Pretty much your whole car?
Right. I don't want to drive it too hard because it's been sitting for a minute. He said it's been sitting for a couple years.
Years?
Yeah, like it's cobwebs and stuff under the damn in the engine bay.
God
damn. This bitch about to slide, bruh. I'm about to have so much fun in this joint. I'm gonna turn the traction control off. Okay. Let's see what this bitch do. I'm about to get all type of tickets. I done put some gas in this hole. Oh, it's getting hot. Oh shit. That fan ain't coming on. That's the problem. I need to relax. Okay, it's cooling back down right now. My fan should be on right now though, for sure. Alright. Let's drive smooth to the house. Uh-oh. Oh, this bitch getting hot, y'all. Come on, let's get to the house. It's getting hot, y'all. You should not run these engines hot. That's what I heard. So I'm gonna put this bitch in neutral and shut it off after like, fuck it. I'm gonna shut it off just because I'm nervous. I don't want my shit getting too hot. Hopefully it starts back up. Yeah, I can hear the radiator shit, the radiator fluid getting hot. Damn, this bitch hot. Come on, let's just get to the house. Come on, fuck. Fuck. Pull over right here, y'all, because I don't want my shit getting hot like that. I'm gonna just pull over and I'm gonna probably walk to the house because this shit getting too hot. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, y'all, I don't want to risk getting this bitch too hot, so I'm gonna just leave it right here for a little bit. Alright, y'all. So yeah, it definitely overheated. I'm gonna leave it right here in this parking lot for a couple hours. Probably go do what I gotta do with my wife. I gotta walk home now, but it's cool. I'm literally right down the street. I ain't that far. I'm happy though this bitch run. I wish I wouldn't have just overheated it like that. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be the end of this video. Check in with y'all in the next one. I'm gone.